Hens, those gentle, clucking farm birds we often see in backyards and villages, are far more fascinating than most people ever realize. Behind their simple appearance is a world full of intelligence, surprising facts, complex social behavior, and impressive survival skills. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of hens, how they live, how they communicate, their hidden talents, and some amazing facts you probably never knew. Welcome back to Animal Forever US, the place where we explore the incredible lives of animals every single day. If you love discovering the hidden wonders of nature, make sure to stay till the end, because today's journey into the world of hens is going to change the way you see these birds forever. Hens are domesticated birds belonging to the species Gallus domesticus. They are believed to be descendants of the wild red jungle fowl of Southeast Asia. Even though hens are one of the most common birds on Earth, their world is filled with complex behaviors and deep intelligence. Many people think hens are simple farm animals, but the truth is that they have social lives, communication systems, and emotions that we are only beginning to understand. One of the most interesting things about hens is their intelligence. Researchers have discovered that hens can remember over 100 different faces, whether they are humans, other hens, or different animals around them. This means a hen can easily recognize its owner, distinguish between friendly and unfriendly faces, and even develop trust over time. Hens are also smart enough to understand cause and effect. For example, they know that if they peck a switch that releases food, the food will appear again when they repeat the action. This ability is a sign of advanced learning that many birds don't have. Another fascinating behavior of hens is their communication system. Hens use more than 30 different vocal sounds to communicate with each other. Each sound has a different meaning. A soft cluck may signal safety, a rapid series of clucks can warn others about danger, and a specific alarm call tells chicks whether a predator is coming from the sky or from the ground. Their communication is so detailed that scientists compare it to a basic language. Even hen mothers communicate with their babies before they hatch. Inside the egg, the chicks can hear their mother's clucks and respond with tiny peeps. This early communication helps them bond even before birth. Hens also have a surprisingly strong emotional life. They can show empathy, meaning they can feel stressed when they see another hen in danger. They understand their flock's social system, which is based on a hierarchy known as the pecking order. At the top of this order are the dominant hens and roosters, who get the best access to food, water, and nesting spots. The pecking order helps maintain peace in the flock by reducing fights, because every bird knows its place in the group. Another impressive thing about hens is their motherly behavior. A broody hen, that is, a hen ready to hatch eggs, becomes extremely protective. She turns her eggs carefully with her beak to keep them at the perfect temperature and humidity. When the chicks hatch, she teaches them how to find food, how to scratch the ground, and how to stay safe. She even communicates danger with a special sound that tells her chicks to freeze, hide, or run under her wings. Baby chicks learn almost everything by watching their mother, making hens some of the best teachers in the bird world. Let's explore some of the most interesting and surprising facts about hens. Did you know hens have amazing eyesight? They can see in color, including ultraviolet light, which humans cannot see. This helps them find delicious insects hidden in grass and recognize details we would completely miss. Another interesting fact is that hens dream. Yes, just like humans, hens experience REM sleep, which is the stage of sleep where dreaming happens. This shows how complex their brains really are. Hens are also incredibly fast. Even though they are not flying birds, they can run up to 9 miles per hour, which is faster than many people expect. Their quick reflexes and sharp vision help them escape predators, especially in the wild where survival depends on speed and awareness. Another surprising fact is that hens are excellent at solving problems. In experiments, hens were able to understand simple arithmetic, such as knowing which group of food had more pieces. They were also able to make decisions based on experience, which means they can learn from past situations. This type of intelligence is extremely rare among birds. Hens also have a unique way of showing happiness. When they feel safe and relaxed, they make a soft purring sound, similar to a cat. You may have noticed this when a hen is dust bathing or resting in the sunlight. Dust bathing itself is an important part of their lifestyle. Hens roll around in dry soil or sand to clean their feathers, remove parasites, and cool themselves down. It may look funny, but it's essential for their health. Another remarkable ability that hens have is memory. They not only remember faces but also locations. If you move their feeding bowl or nesting box, they can easily find it again based on landmarks and patterns. This skill is especially useful in large flocks or on open farms. Now here's a fact that surprises almost everyone: hens can count. Studies show that hens can differentiate between numbers up to 5. This ability helps them keep track of their chicks, especially when they have large broods. A mother hen notices immediately if one chick goes missing and uses special calls to bring it back. Let's talk about eggs for a moment. Many people wonder why eggs come in different colors: brown, white, blue, or green. The truth is simple. The color of the eggshell depends on the breed of the hen. For example, white leghorns lay white eggs, while Rhode Island Reds lay brown eggs. Some rare breeds even lay blue or green eggs. But remember, different colors do not mean different nutrition. All eggs are equally healthy, only the shell color changes. Another important part of a hen's life is social bonding. When hens live in a flock, they recognize each other and form friendships. They stay close to the birds they trust and avoid the ones they do not. They even share food with their favorite companions. This social behavior is another sign of their emotional intelligence. Hens are also great at showing curiosity. If you place a new object in their environment, they will carefully approach it, inspect it, and try to understand what it is. This curiosity helps them learn and adapt to new situations. So the next time you see a hen clucking peacefully in a yard or walking gracefully through a field, remember that she is not just a simple farm bird. She is a smart, emotional, caring, and socially intelligent creature with a world full of secrets. From recognizing faces to communicating with babies inside the egg, from solving problems to dreaming like humans, hens are truly remarkable animals. If you enjoyed discovering these surprising facts and hidden behaviors, make sure to subscribe to Animal Forever US for more daily videos about the amazing animals that share our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.